Okay. Good afternoon, kids, and I hope you have taken your lunch now. So, before we start our lesson, I would like you to remind that today is our unit test. So, you have to prepare a piece of paper and a ball pen. Okay? So, before we start our unit test, please prepare a piece of paper and a ball pen. Okay, make sure that you have a lot of paper there beside you so that you can try to solve the different questions later on. Okay? So, welcome to our, I think, third episode of our live online class. And, Miss Coy, how many students now? 32 students. Okay, so I will be waiting for more 2 minutes before we start the review of our lesson. So again, please prepare a piece of paper and a ball pen. Okay, make sure to have a lot of papers, like a clean paper. Okay, because we will use that one in your writing test in the Google form. Okay, so we have here, just wait a minute. So we have already 44 now, very good. Okay, Frangi, Tirapat, Napatson. Okay, so 44 now, and okay, keep on watching our live. Okay, very good. Okay, so number 6. Okay, again, please try to prepare a paper and a ball pen beside you, because we will use that one in solving different rational numbers and a surd later on. Okay, so I am here with Miss Coy assisting me. Okay, so we have already 46 viewers now. Okay, so keep on going. One more minute before we start our review. Okay, thank you, Miss Coy. Okay, so as you can see on our smart board, I have here the different vocabularies that we are going to use in listening, reading, and writing test. Okay, so these are important, okay, for our lesson. So we have already 54 students already. Okay, Ratnari, okay, from room 7, from room 3, Ananya, hi Ananya. And from room 2, number 27, Panisara. Okay, very good. So keep on watching our live video. 1 more minute before we start the unit test and our review. Also, I will get your attendance from Miss Coy. So make sure that you have, signed in the attendance that is given to you. Make sure, because that will serve as sometimes speaking tests, speaking points, reading points, or writing points, because it's hard for us to get speaking points at this time because we are online. Okay, let's start now our review. So we have already 53 viewers. So let's start our review now. Okay, so our topic we discussed last few weeks ago are these vocabularies. So let's start with rational number. Remember that rational number can be expressed as a ratio of two integers. So what? So like A over B, right? So example of rational numbers are 4/5, minus 5 over 4, square root of 9, 1.3, and many more. Irrational numbers, on the other hand, is a number that cannot be expressed as a ratio of two integers. Mean to say, A over B cannot be expressed like that. So what are those numbers? 5, square root of 7, and many more. That is irrational numbers. Integer is a rational number but in a whole number. So what are those examples of integers? Example, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. So these are integers, okay? But this is also called rational numbers. Okay? Integer rational numbers. Next is we have terminating decimal. If we say terminating, meaning stop. You have to stop. It has finite number after the decimal point. So what are those examples again for the terminating decimals? We have here, for example, 1.45. It stops only at 45. 0.4598. Yes. And 1.63792. Okay. So these are called terminating decimals. Okay. Terminating decimals. Okay. Can you give me another terminating decimals? Okay. Give me another example of terminating decimals. Okay. Who can give me now? Terminating decimals. So we have already 70 viewers. Okay. What are the other? Okay. Okay, Miss Koi, you can give the answers.
1.55.
Wow, correct. That's correct. Only 3. Amazing, amazing. Yes, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
2.345.
Yes.
0.1. 2.1. 6.55.
Okay, very good. Okay, only 3. Very good. So it is terminating decimal. Okay, very good. Very good. What about integers? Who can give me example of an integer? Go. Integer. Okay. Yes, Master.
5.
5. Very good. That's
Minus 5.
-5. Yes, it's okay. 1.
Minus 1.
2.
0.
0. Yes, very good. -4. Only top 3, Miss Koi. Thank you so much. Okay. So we already have 70 viewers. Okay. So that is integers, terminating numbers. Let's go now to surds. What is a surd? A surd class is a number that cannot be simplified into rational number. So those numbers have root sign. Meaning say square root like that. Example, surds are like this. Square root of 3. Square root of 3 is an irrational number, right? So this is called surd. Square root of 5. Square root of 7. So these are called surds because we cannot express them as a rational numbers. Now, I have a question. Who can give me example of not a surd? Not a surd. Yes, not a surd. Not a surd. Yes. Not a surd. Okay. Not a surd. Remember, it is a surd like this. Not a surd. Okay, miss?
Root 9.
Root 9. Root 9, correct, miss. Very good. 2 more.
From Patrada, root 8, root 4.
Root 4, correct.
Wow. And stationary, another root 9.
Root 9. Finish na.
Okay.
And root.
Root 5.
No, that is a surd. Root 5 is a surd. A number should be a perfect square so that it can be called not a surd.
Root 14.
No, not root 14.
Root 10.
Root 16, correct. Yes. Okay, very good. Who is Ananya. Okay, very participative. Root 3. Okay, root 3. Okay, next is the like surds. What are the like surds? These are the surds that have the same radical factor. For example, square root of 3 and square root of 2 square root of 3. Okay, observe that square root of 3 here and square root of 3 are the same. So that is called like surds. Next, square root of 7 and 3 square root of 7. Okay? so these are called like surds. 2 or more, as long as they have the same radical factor. Now, 2 points, teachers. Who can give me like surds? Go, like surds. Like surds.
3 root 5.
No, root 2 and 3, wrong, that's wrong.
Root 2 and 3 root 5
Ram, wrong. It should be the same radical factor. Tanida.
Root 5 and root 2 root 5.
Very good, the same root, root 5. Tanida, room 3, very good. One more. one more. Room 8.
Root 2 and 5 root 2.
Very good. Room 8. Go room 8. 2 points. It's Miss Coy. Thank you so much.
root 2 root 3 and 4 root 3.
Correct. 2 points again. Okay. Anuj.
Root 5 and root 125.
Root 5. Yes, that's correct. Because root 5 and this is equal to 5 root 5. Very good, Anuj. You're very good. Okay? The same. 2 points, Anuj. Okay. Now, what is unlike surds? It's the opposite to like surds. Example, square root of 3 and square root of 5. Square root of 7 and square root of 8. So these are unlike surds. Who can give me again 2 points? Go. 2 points, go. We have already 77 viewers. 7.
root 8, root 5 and root 7.
Correct. Oh, copy and not copy. Okay, 2 points.
Tanida root 3, 3 root 4 and 5 root 3.
Correct.
And Tanisha root 4, 6 root 3 and 5 root 7.
Very good. Amazing. Who else, teacher?
Root 7, root 2 and 2 root 3.
Correct. Okay. So these are our terms. So are you ready for our unit test now? Thank you so much, teachers. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
So again, make sure to prepare a pen and a paper, many paper, because we will use that later. Okay, put beside you so that you can have a scratch and the one that you have to answer. Okay. So if you are ready, let's go now to. Okay, let's go now to. Okay, how are we gonna log in? So we will use Google Form. We will use Google Form. But before I give you the code, make sure to email address. Okay, some teachers didn't get the email address, but you have to get the email address. You have to put the email address because this is important. Okay, the name should be complete. The class number or room should be only like that, simple as that. Room 3, automatic room 3. And your seat number is, for example, 50, like that. Okay, just put like that, as easy as like that. Okay, remember that what? So I will give you the code, and this is only for 2 minutes. So this is now the code. Okay, let's go now. Okay. Scan now, please.
Scan QR code.
QR code. Yes. Okay, please scan now. Okay, only for 2 minutes.
Can you send the link?
The link.
Okay.
Cannot send again, huh? Okay.
Try to-
Yes, okay. Okay, no, don't worry, Natalie. You will try to send the link, nah? Yes. Yes. Miss, can you?
Oh, okay.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you. Okay, if you're done, please, thumbs up or any emojis to verify that you have already signed in the Google form. Seat number is like, for example, your number. Example, me is number 13. Okay, for example, I will use Anoj's number, room 15. Okay, 15 like that. 15, 17, 18. That is your number. Okay, very good. Room 8, number 15. Okay, 2 more minutes. Oh, amazing. So, the code has already been sent to you, so you can click that one, or you can yes, not Nari. Okay, good luck. Okay, so before you start, we will have a listening test yet. Okay, we will have a listening test, and please wait for my instruction. Okay, the first part is the listening test. Okay, amazing. Okay, 1 more minute. Okay, 84 viewers are already here. Okay. Okay, I think everybody is ready. Okay, please comment down if you are not ready yet. Please comment if you are not ready yet. Okay, amazing. Comment 1.
Ready, ready.
Yes, very good. Okay, very good, teacher. Now, okay, I think they are all ready, teacher. So let's go on now to the instruction. Okay, let's go on here. Okay, so as you can see, this is now the you can see on your laptop or on your phone. Make sure to put your details here correctly. Remember, name, class or room, only 3. Okay, so we have here 3 parts of our test. The first one is the listening test, 7 points. Reading test is 12 points, and the writing test is 12 points. So the first part is the listening test. I have here prepared an audio, and I will read again twice the listening test. For the part, where's the part? Part 2 is the reading test. It's a multiple choice, okay? So you have to click the answers here. Okay, so this one on the writing test, be careful, okay, for the writing test. Okay, the writing test is important because you will add file here. Meaning to say, you have to write the answer in a piece of paper, picture them, and add the files in each question. So this is the file. Click the file, and then it will come here, select from your device. Then that's the time you will insert your answer. Okay? For example, this is your 20, question 20. Your answer here is 20. So write in the paper, picture it, and then click add file. Do you understand? Okay, good job. So that is for the writing test. Okay? So, are you ready for our listening test? Okay, this exam will be only for this whole week. Next week, if someone will submit late, I will deduct your points. And to those who don't have exam, it's half only of the scores. Okay, so make sure. And to those who can submit this day will have plus points on your exam. Okay, so let's start with the listening test. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes, teacher. Ready, teacher. Okay. So the first listening test. Okay, first part, listening test. Number 1 question.
1. What do you call a number that cannot be simplified into rational number? This number have a root sign.
Again.
1. What do you call a number that cannot be simplified into rational number? This number have a root sign.
Or what do you call a number? Okay, again. Okay. Go.
1. What do you call a number that cannot be simplified into rational number? This number have a root sign.
Or what do you call a number that cannot be simplified into rational number? These numbers have root sign. Okay, so that is number 1. Okay, please chat if you cannot hear so that I can repeat the questions. Okay. Okay. Okay, number 2.
2. A number that can be expressed as a ratio of two integers is called.
Again.
2. A number that can be expressed as a ratio of two integers is called.
A number that can be expressed as a ratio of two integers is called. Okay, one more.
2. A number that can be expressed as a ratio of two integers is called.
Okay, choose the correct answer on your Google form. Okay. Okay, just wait. Okay, that is number 2. Again, one more time.
2. A number that can be expressed as a ratio of two integers is called.
Okay. Just write the answer on the... Okay. Thank you, teacher. Number 3. Go.
3. Surds that have the same radical factor when they are expressed in standard form are called.
Again.
3. Surds that have the same radical factor when they are expressed in standard form are called.
Surds that have the same radical factor when they are expressed in the standard form are called blank. Choose the correct answer, please. Okay, number 4.
4. What type of number is 17 over 100?
Again.
4. What type of number is 17 over 100?
What type of number is 17 over 100? Choose the correct answer. Okay. Okay, again, as there is one question there that has 2 answers. So make sure to get the correct answer, because if you only answer one answer, it's wrong. Okay? So make sure that you can get that correct answer. Okay, number 5.
5. What type of number is square root of 21?
Again.
5. What type of number is square root of 21?
What type of number is square root of 21? Square root of 21. Choose the correct answer. Okay, I will repeat number 3 after all the questions, okay? Don't worry. Okay, number 6. Go.
6. 51 is called rational number. What other type of number is 51?
Again.
6. 51 is called rational number. What other type of number is 51?
51 is called rational number. What other type of number is 51? So if 51 is rational number, it is also called blank. Choose the correct answer. Go.
7. It is a decimal with finite number of digits after the decimal point.
Again.
7. It is a decimal with finite number of digits after the decimal point.
It is a decimal with finite number of digits after the decimal point. Example, 1.45, 0.9. So what are those decimals called? Okay. Okay, I will repeat all the questions. Number 1, please listen carefully.
1. What do you call a number that cannot be simplified into rational number? This
Again.
number have a root sign.
Again.
1. What do you call a number that cannot be simplified into rational number? This number have a root sign.
Number 2.
2. A number that can be expressed as a ratio of two integers is called. 2. A number that can be expressed as a ratio of two integers is called.
Number 3.
3. Surds that have the same radical factor when they are expressed in standard form are called.
Again.
3. Surds that have the same radical factor when they are expressed in standard form are called.
Number 4.
4. What type of number is 17 over 100? 4. What type of number is 17 over 100?
Okay. Number 5.
5. What type of number is square root of 21?
Again.
5. What type of number is square root of 21?
Number 6.
6. 51 is called rational number. What other type of number is 51? 6. 51 is called rational number. What other type of number is 51?
And the last number.
7. It is a decimal with finite number of digits after the decimal point.
Last one.
7. It is a decimal with finite number of digits after the decimal point.
Okay, so that's all for our listening test. Let's move on now to our reading and writing test. Okay, so reading and writing test. I have here. Okay, so you have to focus now for the reading. Read the questions carefully. Select and click the correct answer. So you can start now. Okay. So question number 8. What is the decimal representation of 9 over 99? What would it be, Miss Coy? Okay. Question number 9. Which of the following is not rational? Which of the following is not rational? Okay. What would be the answer? Question 10. Which of the following is not irrational? Which of the following is not irrational? It is quite hard. So you have to make a solving on your paper. Question 11. Which of the following is not rational? Meaning it is irrational. Okay, what will be the answer? Question 12. Which of the following is not a surd? Meaning a number is a perfect square. So I have given you a clue. Okay. But this time it's very hard, so you have to compute. Next, number 13. Simplify the following expression. This one. The answer. Okay. 14. Evaluate the following expression. Okay, that's not so hard. Number 15. Which of the following is equivalent, meaning equal? Okay, equal of this expression. So, which will it be? 16. Which of the following is not equal to this expression? So, we have option, just click. Where would be the correct answer?
How many items?
We have here, teacher, items. We have 7. Just wait, teacher, huh? Okay, no items here. 7 plus 12, 19 plus 6 is 25 items all in all. But the points are 24 plus 7 is 31. 31 points all in all. Okay. Yes. Okay, for the writing test. Okay, we are now at the writing test. Okay, the writing test here. For the writing test, okay, so this time you need to write on the paper again. Listen carefully. Then you have to write the answer and then send it add file. Okay, this is worth 2 points of your grade. So make sure to have correct answer. Okay, don't worry. I will check also your solution. I will give you extra points for that. So I have here 2, 4, 6 questions. Number 25, we didn't discuss this one, but if you can answer this one, I will give you extra point also. Remember, if you can submit until 4 today, additional plus points. If you can submit this week, okay, no deduction of points. But if you will submit next week, have minus points. And if you cannot submit, if you don't submit this Google form, no point, have points of 31. So that would be 15.5 points only. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Teacher Coy, Miss Coy. Okay. So I have here many questions here. Yes. Okay. So question number 17. If you are already know how to, remember how to add and subtract surds, right? So it should be like forms, like that. Simplify first. I give you a clue how you're gonna add. Okay. I think they are very focused, right, Miss teachers? Very good. So I will just talk here and talk. Okay. Okay, so these are the questions. Okay, very good, students. You still have many minutes left. Okay, let us review first. Miss Koy, who got the highest scores from the earlier points?
For today.
Yes.
Form Loop A.
Yeah.
Number 4.
Patapon.
Number 4. Yeah.
Yeah, amazing. How many points, teacher?
3.
3. Good job.
Yes. And Loop 3.
Room 3. Talida.
3.
Wow. How many points, teacher?
3 points.
3 points. Okay.
Loop 4. Tanyasha got 2 points.
2 points.
And then 1 point. Ananya from room 3, Lam from room 6, Latanali room 7, Nanapat room 7,
Anuj.
from room 8. But I confused between Patapon number 4 and Patapon.
The same name, the same name. Okay. Anuj is very active in answering, Miss Koy. Also in your class. Is he active? Yes, very active now.
He is nice and very active.
Teacher, there is a question from students.
Okay.
What kind of file that they need to add to
okay. You need to add like a image file or a picture. So as I have said earlier, you have to answer on the piece of paper, take a photo of it, and then click add file from here, and then you can select files from your device. Okay, select files from your device. Click this one. Then you can see here, for example, pictures of example only. This one. So just click that picture and upload. Okay, it will automatically upload your pictures, and then this is your answer. Okay, so that's how you're gonna upload a file. You can also upload a video, but in order to minimize the efforts, just an image only. Frankly, my God, these questions are really hard. Yes, because it is a test. Some questions are easy, difficult, and hard. You can search that. You have many internet there. You can, if you are very wise, you can search questions also.
Someone asked, you can use iPad to write or not?
Yes, you can use iPad, but you have to screenshot that one. So that serves as your image. Yes, screenshot after you write on your iPad. Very good, Yili. Yili, Miss. Oh, I cannot read the question. Yes, you're welcome. Okay. Lishiwi. Frankly, frankly is very good. You're just pretending, frankly, that you're not good. Okay. Okay, you can use many, okay? So, just answer first here, okay? So again, if you can submit before 4 or 5, you can have additional points. Hi, teacher. Okay. Any question, you can drop down your comments here. You can drop down your comments here. Okay. Oh, they are very focused, nah?
They concentrate.
Yeah, they concentrate. It's very hard to solve. Yeah, it's very hard to solve.
Especially room 3.
Room 3.
They are expert in that.
Yes, room 3.
Yeah.
But room 7, they're very good. They're just, you know that, teacher. Okay. They have to show you how to do it in question number 20. I mean, you mean how to solve? Yes, you have to show how to solve just on a piece of paper. Okay? Okay, how to solve only. And then the final answer, don't forget the final answer. You have to highlight your final answer. Yes, who's this? Room 3, number 27.
Hakim, PK.
Oh yes,
Your
PK.
friend.
Hi friend. My friend. Okay. Good. From room 4, number 9. God. Okay.
Pompon.
Pompon. Yes, yes. Yeah. Okay. Very good, na. There are some questions. I will give you some not that hard questions here. For example, this is listening. Oh, this one. Wait. For example, this one. Okay, just click which is the correct answer. 9/99. Which of the following is the correct answer? Frankly, what's the deadline? Do I have to finish this in class or maybe submit tomorrow because my computer isn't with me right now? Yes, you can finish until this week only. But if you can finish after 4, then you can have extra points. No problem about that. Okay? But make sure that you can submit only once. Because I can see those students who will submit twice or thrice. Okay? Make sure only once. Frankly. Okay, so we still have 94 viewers here and they are very busy answering those questions. Okay, thank you, Miss. Okay. So, I think there are hard questions here. This 11 is not. Okay, you can only look which is not rational. Maybe it's irrational. So is this not rational? Which of the following is not rational? Okay. That's why I make it to a point that some of the questions are hard because you're answering at home. You have many helpers. You have your parents, the Google. Okay, so you can perfect that if you are very wise. Yes, that's true, Miss, right? Okay, but you have to be diligent and you have to make sure that you can submit your exam. Otherwise, you will get half of the point. Okay, Frankly, go Frankly, you can do it, Frankly. Okay. So remember only the steps on how you're going to solve surds. Okay, you can cancel that out. Yes, I expect perfect score. Okay. Perfect score here. Talida, if you are, Talida, are you here, Talida? Please notify. I miss Talida. Talida is very active also. Yes, right, miss. Okay, good luck, students. For next week, we will discuss about how we're gonna rationalize the denominator of a given surd or expression. Okay. So that is our next topic, and then after that, we will have our final unit test. So we will have two unit tests in our in the whole midterm. Okay. Anuj, okay, there are many active. Okay, these students here are active. Make sure that you have also check your attendance, because I will give also extra points for that. They are very focused now. Okay, this one. Remember to add a surd. Just add the like surds. Example, 9 square root of 7 minus 8 square root of 7. So that's how we're gonna add or subtract surds. There are many active students here. They're very good. Bimal also is very active. Ram also is very active.
But today Iman is sleeping.
Sleeping today. I didn't say Bimal here, teacher, right? Yes. Please PP again, Miss. Room 4, number 9. Ah, okay. Yes. Sleeping today. Ram. I think Ram is. I have seen Ram.
Yeah.
Okay, here. Yes, they're very focused. Good luck, students. Okay. So make sure to have a solution and add file here for our writing test. After you answer all the questions, you will see automatically your points. So you will know your points after you answer. Okay. So I still have 3 minutes. Teacher, right? Okay, 3 minutes more before I leave you. And the next teacher will teach you, okay? Make sure to submit only this week, because I will give you allowance for the submission, because some students are not on my online class. So I will give the code to Miss Koy and the QR code, so that she can give it to the other rooms, and also to Miss Mimi to other rooms, okay? So that they can have the exam, to those students who don't have like Google Form. And for the unit test. Okay, good luck, students. 3 more minutes before I leave you. Okay, amazing students. They're very quiet. I hope they're quiet like this, Miss, in classroom. They're very noisy. Yes.
I'm not sure they are concentrated on your test or they are sleeping.
Yeah, they're sleeping. Some just, I don't know.
Maybe find someone to help them.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mama, mother, father, like that. They are calling the parents, or they are searching the answer on the internet, na?
We will send the link for class attendance, man.
Yes, miss. Thank you so much. Na.
Tell them to
Sign in. Okay, before I leave, please, Miss Koy will send the attendance, the link for the attendance. So, please click that and sign in. Okay? Sign in for that. Number 23. Thank you, Miss. Okay, I think my time is up. Okay, so you can continue that later on or today, and please submit that until Sunday na. Okay, Friday only, Miss, now? Friday? Okay, I think they have many works, so I'm very kind teacher now. Other Sunday, teacher? Sunday, okay, other Sunday. Okay, but on Monday, minus points. Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye for now. Good luck to your unit test. Yay. Thank you, Master.